anchor hatch. That seal, like I said, was shot. It's pretty hard stuff, so gonna have to peel all that off, clean it up, get it ready for the new one. Gonna be pretty hard to do. Seems like the best way to get it off is with a Olfa knife. Just make sure you don't do what I've done many times. Cut my finger. For some reason I keep doing that. But this is aluminum, so it scrapes off nicely. It's coming off. Just remember the old saying, cut towards your chum, not your thumb. Okay, there's the difference. This is on the top side. Still have to clean that. Toilet bowl cleaner seems to clean that off really good. Otherwise, nothing else seems to take it off very good. I gotta try it on the underside too. Yeah, I'm just in the process of making some pieces up for the panel back in. That DC panel is gonna go there. And this piece is going to be on the side into the pocket. We'll see later. I got to give it a little sand and another coat. And I'll be making some other boxes too. Thought I'd put a little angle on that. That's going to be the front. Okay, so I got the bottom piece gluing together. I had to make it, I think she slipped a little bit, but I'll sand it. I had to make it two pieces to get the width. I got the back piece and the front piece. Just going to be angled a little bit, and then the side pieces are going to go in there, and the bottom piece. And then the paper towel holder will go on the bottom. This will all get sanded up and verithaned. Ooh-wee. My glue's a little shitty. Don't know if it'll work or not. Just drill a little counter sink in there. Okay, here's the back. You won't see the back. That's why the screws are back there. And the front is going to be, front will go on and it'll hang down past the bottom, and the bottom will go all the way back under the cabinet, and then it'll get screwed up through there. Or I'll just screw it up. You kind of get an idea of what I'm trying to create here. The paper towels are going to go underneath here. The bulkhead is going to be here. This is going to go against the bulkhead. This is going to get screwed into the bottom of the bulkhead. And that'll be for whatever. I could even put dividers in there if I wanted to, but I just might put a little dividers in here. You can put cutlery and spices or whatever. Just got to sand this all up and varathane it, and fun, fun, fun. This is spar varnish, marine grade. It's just a throw together project. So I'll give you an idea when they're finished. Okay, that's going to dry blotchy like the other one as it soaks in at different rates. So it's going to have to be sanded and reapply the second coat. It's got the second coat on it now, so it shouldn't be blotchy at all. It should be what you see pretty much, except for the light glaring off it. And then this is the one where we mount the distribution panel, and then I'll put them in the boat. I still have a couple more to make, boxes, whatnot, but that'll be a later project. I want to get these two done with the distribution box and the paper towel, so this is where we stand. And I got myself a little Zodiac tender for the boat. Just got to get a little motor for it. So that'll be pretty cool. Be able to rescue myself instead of sinking with the boat. Captain, don't go down with this boat. All right, there's the mounted distribution box. This is the fuse box. There's fuses in here, blade fuses, and the wires will be coming out of here, and I'll just drill little holes in here. And you got the negative ground, and then you got the positives up here, and then with these two screws I can take this piece off, and then I can get it all the wires real easy back in there. So that is the finished product. It's not fancy, but it works.